Hi, this is Man, and I'm going to show you me speed solving a Rubik's Cube. It's actually not that fast. My record is about 2 minutes, but, it's pretty good. I'd call it a speed solve. So basically, as you can see, it's solved right now, so I'm going to stop this video and scramble it. So, yeah, and then I'll start solving it. So, hopefully I get good time. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, now it's scrambled and I'm going to try to hold it about this level so you can see. Okay, at this level. Ready, set, go. Okay. 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 This part of the method I call there and back again. I'll show you why. Maybe if I do a tutorial. So, I might do a tutorial. Pumamoo requested that I do a tutorial. So, I might. I'll just... There we go. Okay, I'm doing pretty bad right now. F1BB or F1BB R. You may hear me saying some of the algorithms to myself. Are you? It's perfectly normal. I'm not saying anything. And solved! Okay, so, yeah, solved it, and as you can see, that was in about, like, 2 minutes, 20-something seconds. Or maybe even shorter, because I talked a little bit at the beginning, so, yeah, that's actually pretty close to my record.